5 AI tools you need to stay ahead of video creators. Opus Pro can take any long YouTube video you have and cut it into small, short clips with just one click. Next up, we've got Adobe Speech Enhancement. This wonderful tool can make your voice recording sound as if it was done in a professional studio. Then we have OpenAI Whisper, capable of transforming any MP3 file into readable text. If you're looking for realistic text-to-speech and voice cloning, 11 Labs is your answer. Last but not least, DID lets you create talking avatars for your videos, making them even more engaging.